There's a little reading to do in this one. So they tell us on Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours. Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by the two of them on Saturday afternoon? One of the things to be most careful with within SAT problems is when they define variables for you within the problem, you have to be really, really certain to keep straight what each variable represents. So M is the number of text messages sent by Armand each hour, and then P is the number sent by Tyrone each hour. How many total messages did Armand send? Well, if he sent M each hour for 5 hours, the total sent by Armand is going to be M times 5, or 5M. And the total sent by Tyrone, with a very similar calculation, is going to be the amount that he sent per hour, which is P, times 4 hours that he was sending them. And then the total sent by the two of them is going to be 5M plus 4P. So if you made the mistake that I kind of cautioned you of a few seconds ago, and that's to be really, really certain which variable represents what, you could potentially be looking at ending up choosing option D, but as long as we are careful with recognizing what the variables represent, should be pretty obvious that the answer is option C. One other tempting option to maybe pick, if you get this and you say, all right, well, 5 plus 4 is 9, I've got an M and a P, you might accidentally combine these. They're not like terms, so they can't be combined, so we're not going to be looking at choice A, we're definitely looking at choice C.